The most precious thing in life is life itself. Are you getting this now or only on your deathbed? Never form an opinion on anyone. How they are in this moment is all that matters. How they are tomorrow, let us see. Tomorrow must be created, not concretized right now. Kaveri calling is a 12-year commitment for me and everyone else with me. This one aspect, if you fulfill, your karma for this world is done. Guru's grace is not designed to fulfill your plans, but life's plan for you. Spirituality is not moral science. Spirituality is about enhancing the life that you are. I have never been lonely because the source of creation has never left me for a moment, has never left anyone for a moment. People who think only good things should happen to them are unfit for life. If you do not know how to go through harsh situations joyfully, you will avoid all possibilities. If tears of love, joy, and ecstasy have not washed your cheeks, you are yet to taste life. If you function in the world without being concerned about what is happening to life around you, that is being criminal. Too many people are carrying grave faces. You don't have to practice your last pose in life. When it comes to death, you are a natural star. The first step towards knowing is to see that you do not know. The divine is constantly waiting at your doorstep to move in, if only you allow the necessary space. In deep conscious involvement with everything around you, there is no entanglement, there is just joy. Anger is not action, it is reaction. A state of reaction is a state of enslavement. Studies show that if we plant 1 trillion trees on the planet, the entire climate change process can be reversed. Unless you do the right things will not happen to you. Love is not a joy, it is a deep, wonderful pain. Everything within you should tear. Only then will you know what love is. No job is inherently stressful. What causes stress is our compulsive reaction to challenging situations. With the necessary technology, simple space, even a piece of stone can be made into divine exuberance. This is the phenomenon of consecration. Every thought, every reverberation you create on the level of the mind changes the chemistry in your body. Peace is not the highest goal in life, it is the most fundamental requirement. The essence of inner engineering is to engineer yourself in such a way that every moment of your life is a new possibility. In enlightenment, there is no pleasure, no pain, just nameless ecstasies. Belief is of social significance, to some extent of psychological significance, but existentially it means nothing. It is not the amount of action but the depth of experience that makes life rich and fulfilling. The whole art of being a guru is just this, to constantly puncture people's ego and still manage to remain their friend. The greatest fulfillment in life is to do something which is much larger than yourself. As we have responsibilities towards the living, we have responsibilities towards the dead. Within a limited period of time after death, there is room for impacting the dead. Life is a mystery to enjoy, not understand. The festival of Navratri is based on this fundamental insight. I do not believe in telling people what they should do. My business is only to make you conscious.